Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reconnect your Make integration to AEvent and how to disconnect or remove it from your AEvent account. So to start, all you have to do is log in to your AEvent account. Once you are logged in, click on the integrations icon here from the left-hand side menu. And then from here, you just have to look for the Make integration. This is the list of all the integrations you have on your AEvent account. Here it is. So in case when you see here that the status of your Make integration is disconnected, all you have to do is click on the Reconnect button and then it will ask you to label the integration again. Once you're satisfied, just click on Reconnect and you will be prompted for three information: your API token, your environmental URL, and your team ID. I have shown you in a previous video how to get all those information. So once you have them, just enter all those information here. All right, and then click on continue. And then you will get a confirmation that it has successfully reconnected or connected the integration. And the disconnected status here should change to connected. Now, if in any case you don't want to use your Make integration anymore and you want to delete it from your AEvent account, all you have to do is click on this delete button or icon, and then you will be prompted if you want to disconnect it. Just click on confirm, and that would effectively remove your Make integration from your AEvent account, and you should be able to see a confirmation pop up there. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.